Hand Physics Lab just came out for Vision Pro. This has been out for years on the Quest series. I'm expecting this to be a pretty cool game on Vision Pro with the better fidelity hand tracking. So let's see how it looks. Okay, it seems to be meant to be standing up here, so let's go ahead and hit this. We got a little play zone here. I'm left-handed. Oh, and here we can be seated. So we can try different hand designs. We got the skeleton here showing the full arms. Kind of ghost hands. And more like solid. I think I like the skeleton here. Okay, so it looks like we got a bunch of levels here we can play. We got puzzles or just playground. Let's start with the playground. Never mind, I think we have to start with the puzzles. Wow, look at that. I won the first puzzle. I feel like a smart person. All right, so these next puzzles kind of teach you how to kind of work with the physics. When the hand turns white there, you get that white ring we can grab. Okay, so this is just kind of training how things work in the game. Okay, let's see if we've gotten enough stars now to try the playground. Well, I will say, this takes a little bit of getting used to. Ooh, I think finger painting is better than using the fake pens. We'll keep going with some of the puzzles here. So those are a few of the puzzles. I want to show you some of the settings you can play around with here. Again, you can sit or stand. So if I go, so right now it's kind of hard to tell, but I am standing. If I go to sit, I can kind of sit down here. Although when I am sitting, it's, there we go. Now I can kind of move this menu. That is cool. Ooh, I can have a third person perspective. That's pretty interesting. We have arm tracking. We can choose left or right-handed. We can have hand size as well. Oh, so I can make myself have giant hands. Although that actually just crashed the app when I tried to do that. Let's see if I can play a puzzle with this giant hand here. Oh, my hands just went to normal. So it looks like the giant hands are not applicable in the puzzles. All right, we'll keep going then to fingers. Wow, okay, so you can see all sorts of different settings here for the fingers. We can do a dark environment, or we can do mixed reality. So we can stay in my office here, and let's see if that sticks when I try to go back to the puzzles. Here we go. I always like trying to play these games more in my environment. And here we can see a few more of the display settings, and then audio. So those are all the settings. For those of you familiar with this game on Quest, it's pretty similar, of course, but now we have it on Vision Pro. So there you go, just a quick look at Hand Physics Lab. $10 right now on the App Store, just came out today, and it seems like there's a lot of stuff you can do in here if you just want to play around with the physics in Vision Pro. There you go, you can check it out. Thanks for watching, and that's all I got.